dawn we rise, with faith as our guide and hope in our eyes.
We are walking in love with the Lord as our guide. Together as one, let us take this stride.
We are walking in love with the Lord as our guide. Together as one, let us take this stride.
Walking in love with heart, mind and soul, following Jesus in all that we do. Lights in there is with our hearts aflame on the little way, shortest way. We're walking in love. Walking in love with heart, mind and soul, following Jesus in all that we do. Lights in there is with our hearts aflame on the little way, shortest way. We're walking in love.
With all that we are and we have, with highs and with lows, wounded but brave.
We are walking in love, faces bright with a smile. Hand in hand, let's walk an extra mile.
We are walking in love, faces bright with a smile. Hand in hand, let's walk an extra mile.
Walking in love with heart, mind and soul, following Jesus in all that we do. Lights in there is with our hearts aflame on the little way, shortest way. We're walking in love. Walking in love with heart, mind and soul, following Jesus in all that we do. Lights in there is with our hearts aflame on the little way, shortest way. We're walking in love.
Carmelfest 2024. Indeed a memorable experience for me as a coordinator. I experienced wonderful cooperation from the provincial and the council team, the collaborators, the animators, and the local community. Everyone joined hands and made this a great success story. We had the first event in 2013 and thereafter one more, and all through the COVID time we could not conduct Carmelfest, and now once again we have begun Carmelfest. We're eagerly looking forward to the next one. It's like an Olympic game. It comes once in 3 years, but all the same it brings in a lot of vitality in the province. The young teams, Murray, Francois, Therese and Martin, 4 groups competing with one another for various sports, outdoor and indoor, exhibiting their talents, the resource persons on education, on social apostolate, telling the occasion story. Wow, what a living experience. We felt Carmel is alive, Carmel is vibrant, Carmel has a bright future. I am very happy. I want that all the province members celebrate this event Carmelfest along with our brothers when we come back and tell you the story. God bless you all.